Well, we made it to Millers Falls, Mass, where we're waiting for the loaded coal train with the NS Heritage unit, which we caught in several other locations. As we got into Millers Falls, we saw a locomotive, the rear end of one, at the interchange for the NECR in Millers Falls. So we figured it probably would have been one of the former Conrail units getting repainted. We had seen this lumber car, which was the first thing we spotted, and then this lovely looking GP15-2, lettered out in GATX Locomotive Group number 499. Talk about a piece of luck. This is what caught our attention. It looks pretty nice, if you want my opinion. We're at Millers Falls at 377. Well, actually, CPF 377 2/1, which means we're right next to the Pan Am main line. And there's the signals and everything.